Balance Gator Run arrives as one of the brand's most interesting lifestyle releases, and the Black Croc colorway clearly leads the conversation. Built as a true do-it-all sneaker, the Gator Run blends everyday street style with trail-ready function. The upper draws inspiration from classic New Balance tennis silhouettes, featuring clean lines and a premium Croc textured finish in deep black that adds subtle luxury without feeling loud. This Black Croc treatment gives the shoe a versatile look that works with casual outfits while still standing out through texture rather than color. Underfoot, a rugged sole unit, provides grip and durability for light hiking, long walks, and daily wear. The balanced design positions the Gator Run as a practical alternative in the growing multi-purpose sneaker category. It reflects New Balance's strong momentum in lifestyle footwear, combining comfort, durability, and design. The Black Croc Gator Run is scheduled for a global release on January 21, 2026.